my name is Mandy.
Hola, I'm Masa de Pellegrin.
I am a business management and international relations student at EU Business School in Barcelona.
I'm in my exchange semester in London.
I love London. It's the best city to study. It's very international. It's very vibrant, very rich. I love that the campus is very central, so it has an amazing location and it's right next to a lovely green park.
The building south of the school is really well organized. It has 6 floors with 3 students' lounge and different rooms with different facilities available for our students. The school itself offers different activities from sports such as yoga or kickboxing to more intellectual pursuits such as tea time or chess tournament and drama club. It has a student committee and society that organize activities outside school for students to meet and enhance their relation. They trip to some cities near London,
which is really nice, and it's very interactive, trying to bring all these different nationalities, cultures and backgrounds together.
As well, the school team is really nice and really ready to help you whenever you need it.
It is a big city and you can feel it, but at the same time, depending on which areas you are in, it feels very homey and cozy, which is lovely. Museums are free, especially for students, and you also have so many different concerts or events that are going on. You learn so much about the British culture. It's just a very different lifestyle, and you can pick up these things and learn, and also you improve your language skills, of course.
Such international city, a melting pot, is gonna offer you so many opportunities for networking and enhance your personal growth and personal career.
Studying abroad makes you have to connect to people, gain so many different things on so many different levels, and you learn so much about yourself too. Why not choose something you're interested in so you can come here and really focus on what you want to do?
This offers a unique blending of real-world application and in-depth academy knowledge, feeling more confident as well and believe in myself a bit more.
And I can gain skills to shape my future in the way I want it to be.
Build your success story here in London. Don't miss it. Apply now.